Don't be smarting, my people. Mommy B don't come outside though. Oh yeah, make una listen to Mommy B. I bet make una help me subscribe to my YouTube channel. See you guys for my next video.
Women will be say without Saga no food. You don't understand. As I come for work, I'll just relax myself and all that. Guy, thumbs up my video, please. At the beg, thumbs up my video. Let me see. Thumbs up, thumbs up. So I know if they go sleep, wake up, go they follow woman when they go change Oyibo pampers to house. Me now, I get full hour job. So please guys, I cannot they come online, they come debunk. Everybody know say this Keroba or Imagwalo, they lie. Not be today I know her. Even when we said to, I can never open my mouth to discuss. Or even in our noe. Unless maybe somebody want to buy something from her, or somebody send me message say, if you want blah blah blah. Send me discuss with Larry Lolo. See, not be your packer those days. Not be your one. I will come with the gist. Your own teach me lesson. I cannot joke with people when their mouth not the close. I see all the friendship when he make. You understand? All the friendship when he make. Wait till he take this thing. Mommy, please talk to money. Wait now, listen now. You see, oh man, no me. I have the bar me. You know, see, they don't know the time when they take through way. You not can cover where they walk again. Which already I know where they all those house to house. You now remember this woman when come UK say but today let me tell you about this woman. The thing when you get, if you don't get time, you just cry. Loga throat the warrior. How many people remember he condemned people that clean the nyash for this UK? You not condemn them. Number 2. Number 3, he condemned students. Why am I? But today, they cry, they go school. He can't the boast. He condemned driving license. What is driving license? But today, they say, they sweet, they sweet, they sweet, leave me. See, today, Lolo make me laugh. I laugh. I follow her day because as I don't want to sleep, my husband, I don't do food for her. Because since yesterday, as we know, say we just come from Nigeria, we go work. We don't have that time. You understand? Oh, that's the way they go house to house, domiciliary. Now I'm going to follow the talk. Meanwhile, they do full time. Lolo, you say whether mama don't blind. Now today, you know your friends say they lie. Mama not get diabetes, so. You know, say I don't know what is wrong with this Obolo one of nation. Before you talk, when you don't insult your parents. Before you say Jackie Robinson, you don't insult your family. See, Monica or whatsoever they call your name, don't insult my mother and make her not come describe your family. You know, say I should now finish. Because I know can't leave you now. You they do me something. You won't come they refer to my mama. My mama not blind you. Mama when they count money for her side. I don't understand that day. If they count money, now he get that if he blind, how he go to the same market? I be not see in shop for her side. How he won't come to the sell in shop? Monica wanna not say he lie past any other thing. He even lie against me. You not see like where he lie for me say me go they tell people say na me carry and go party like say na me they do birthday. He say I get up for chair. Listen, now when they Lord see all your video today when you do analysis, I see them. Let me tell you, now me fair rich party. I see that I get table where they give me. You they hear me? This London, who won't invite me? Na house, when they go ask them, na house that they bring, come invite me. They go even bring gift, come my house. I know they find party where I won't go. That place when for come party, now me I get table. If she not get, she was not having table. Okay, me when he come, when he go inside, go sit down, with my husband than she where they come for outside. He begin to do a day the month, no chair. People, a person where invite you come, he's busy, he cannot give you chair, and nobody regard you. Now so he run from the months. You dey hear me? He run from the months. Somebody come tell us, go see mommy B. Now so he run, he begin to come hold me for where I do. They shout to, now we take snap that picture where you see I kiss am like this. Now he still carry the phone, say, Mama B, let's snap. Ask everybody in this UK, I don't snap picture with somebody. Or let's not they say, as a senior celebrity. Or let they go say, Mommy B, let's snap, let's snap. You don't ever see me post people picture when we take go party. Or let know those people, they post me. I don't post. I not be a person where they quick snap picture. He lie too much. I don't like because, you know, say, person when me I don't play. I know they lie when, like I see they fool itself. So me I can't join and they fool myself. Because everybody don't know and finish say, nobody can follow and do friendship. Okay, you say I gossip you. If na person way they tell you, when get sense. As you hear, why you not come? You say, Mommy B, why you go to gossip me now? But now they go find me for TikTok, they take brag up and down. Already make pan since where I see the nonsense where they do, I don't go. You know, say when they observe, say you don't go, they'll come to find you. I don't go since now. Because now with Nelly Black, they quarrel. He can't carry my own push for his side. Then may see you wegbe. No nak boli hiaye. Then may see you wegbe. You understand? Abie kero bagiro no waya zolu he. Negbe na mu ezezeze. No nak toge bagbo. Do you think you can bring me down? You can spoil my name. My name clean for the book of record. Now only your name. See or both sides don't come see bring on. Oh, only you. Now you are doctor the smell follow. Abi the fan page when you won't carry join your way again. No say na so you did one now. Somebody born, give me copyright. He call himself Abi Mama. He can't give me copyright for my page. Now that day I know say who did you? You dey hear me? You say my mama blind. Even though my mama, may God forbid, my mama not blind. Monica, don't let me come describe your family because now me see you now for grant. Now me see you now for grant. Now me see you now for party. I take God beg you. Because your people not offend me now, your family not offend me. Hence you want to go my mama's side. If I can't describe your brother for this parlor, it be go gaso. And you tell me, I tell you. You know say when I quit they go native doctor. My it will be authentic. I don't lie. Anything where I see for your body that day for party, now I go talk. 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 Hey, gay. Ima kenu ruamerie. Gay. Where you they pushing me? They go this woman. Gay. See what you they preach today. People should not help their children again. You have your children in Europe where there is money. You cannot make it until you reach UK. And I have my own in Nigeria. You say not be me take care of them. It doesn't matter. Anytime I wake up to take care of my children, and they are still better. My children there for Africa, but they are still better than yours for here. None of my children, they bleach you. None of them. None of them. What do you go say I do you now? If audio day, play am. Make people here say, oh, Okpaka, now you go offend them. All those your lie people where you send, go call Okpaka. Tell us say any black they cost me. That one really come. Mama be say no, you no consign amo. Now so I talk. If patient, now they call up and down. He call me Mommy B. See any black. Now say I beg, go. What you call consign me? If they say they want choose APC and PDP, the other one carry Esther. They don't pay more words. They know it come away. Me no go again. Now when you say quarrel start, I even appreciate because anybody I can. Yesterday, Noge was giving me gift. He's telling me sorry, mommy. You not say me, I accept sorry. Noge, he come meet me for TikTok. Wa mi go no bolo menudi. Okay, when mommy sorry. And I accept. Because now because of you, now they insult me up and down. I go party, me and Kinebe will never quarrel one day. It be one because of you tear my head. Thank God say he senior brother did. If for quick and wound me for waiting you cause for Facebook. Waiting you go say, waiting you want make I do for you now when I never do. You say make me not give my picking money. But make I come they give you a be. Hey, Monica, change now. I don't want to open my mouth. I beg. Change now. You went there Europe if you can beg. If you can beg. If people can offer you all properties that belongs to you in your house. My picking no they beg. Good evening. My picking never beg. It's now my property now it are the given. Me onona. What do you want me to do? Okay, you want context space of my picking? Hey, my people, I want to be very careful now. You wanna I don't want to go there. Oh, this girl, take your time now. I beg, go. Go. One of the get shame. If you don't follow person play, they get reserve. I don't say you not get reserve. If you not get reserve for your friend, but you go come get for me. You not get reserve. You understand? Lord, let me tell you. Now you make me to do this video. My mother is not blind. Now that get when blind. Now that get bambiala. We don't have it. My mother is not diabetic. My mother not get diabetic. My mother still they sell for markets. Buy. You they feed me. My mother still they sell. Obiere cooking me viva. What can wa? Yeah? If my mama they sell the business there. The shop wait there for us. Who they help and sell them? If you know the sea roads. We me denya do muye obo agbalaga no tuta yo boba ba awagwa. No for what now? Monica, stop now. Oh God. Stop now. You understand? I don't know what is wrong with you. Why ever what way? You say that the black they curse your husband. I tell her not to do that. He not do one. I tell her say stop, even though now they fight. Don't ever do curse somebody husband. You stop it. Okay, I show my house. You say, well, I will show my house. If I do anything, you begin to quarrel. Why you do this one? Like, seriously. And they come, I won't show my mashup. Who they say for there? Not mama. I bet me I not can go another person this thing. Yeah. Now my way I define. Why can't we? Eh? Where you now? I don't pass. Okay. I don't pass more. I will come screenshot and down. Anybody will go my page, you go see where I sit down, they do live video when where they sell for my mama for there. Over here I say sit down, I still sell for you today. I begin to do live video for there. Who they help and sell? Eh? Not be me they help and sell. I mean they help and sell market now. Eh? Oh, all this service. Now me they help and sell now. I be the final. Me I show you now where my mama they sell articles. Who blind they sell something. You baba baga or say agbaha krituta for what now? Eh? You understand? My mother is 90 years old. You baba baga teme. But it's a baby. Huh? I'm not saying this one I will take goes. I go find her. No, you know say me now. I know the fast. Make I first they wanna make heaven and earth they see what they do. Because when me go start my own, you know good now. Person go say you know they do saga. Because in a saga they take feed the children. Now you go come drag me when they walk. When you not get what you do. Obolo, you come party for a year, you say nobody know. If the person tell me I call you, I say not they call you. Because if he invite you, if you have the person for mind, you able to come. Really, you come. You understand? Really, you come. When you come, you dead the months. Me where the listen, I be big fish for a year. They organize table for me. It make a table. But we no care agbaka ade. Una vie family yard pa worry. All family finish for us. For part where they invite to leave you. You were afraid, may they not beat you now. That's why you do that. You don't ever see me carry egbe with jadi waka anywhere they go. Una vie what one yard. They know I take me now, Ivani. When you we never start, they insult my mother. Now you una they see the way they do now. When I go start my own, I will use your Bambi ala stats. You know now. Don't play now. Don't play. Who be this? I'm not may anybody not coming for this thing no, because me I go provoke. Hold on. What till you go say I do you alone? Mama not blind. You not see mama daddy. Not be mama they say what they say. Now they get blindness for their family now. So if you want me, I can't throw away man for a brother way day now. You go good now. Okay now. Okay. And see if my saga come, mona just leave me because Saga never start now. They talk pele. Now Lolo make me they do this video where he say make I come tell her whether my mama don't blind. We say wait I tell her for secret. Lolo, let me tell you, I never want to discuss with this one. Unless maybe I send something, go give her. I'll tell her say be expecting something or I send you some finish. You understand? Mama not blind. Mama is a wealthy woman.
How is something?
Hey.
What now?
Oh, where mama blind. No, leave on. I feel say when I get a baby, so it's too much. It's supposed to go do the ebo. So but they worry Monica. That's what I see there. Because when your hand not clean, you go this all zewe. Oh yeah. Huh? You now hear what he talk to take preach today say why me go they support my children? Can you imagine? Mama will not they support the pikin now. Mama be that. Me they ask and say when they lay that line, he not make am. He not make am. He can't come you can't they make am. He start. He say make he say they jealous. In the find care work. He can't they yanagba me. Hey, would they pack people shit? Would they pack people pamper? Nah, they say that they change people peace. House to house. Not be say they work as permanent now. Now when they call them, when they say whether they call them for live video, can you work? They know they call me if I can work. Because I'm fixed. You where they will call say good person house, go clean here. Help and clean house and clean the papas. You they come stop now. Monica, stop, please. If you don't get shame, me shame the cash me so as I did so. Yeah, why ya wa la wow. No, leave on not talk. Just leave on. They insult. Now so they start to because when I go start now, they will say, "Paka, now you go insult your mama first." When I see her now, when they watch you, say now first go insult my mama. Can't God say somebody there where go fair go call that video, keep on for me when you go set. Now so if I do that time, he insult my senior brother where he die. But when I can't call for you now, everywhere cry. They want gather community stadium. Oh paka. You that come the poko paka. Una no dey see now. Monica when they lie, he lie pass go everywhere go. He lie. If you say me find this in a black, Person wey dey fit carry copyright go give a friend for Facebook. He say me and dey play, come copyright my page. Remove am. I remove am. For where? Remove am. For where? I can't dey call am like Age Baba. Maybe this one. Eh? Remove am. How? Hello, my dear. No, me no want do Saga. I tell her, he dey insult my mama. Say me enter house. He no he no mention my name. There, Lolo say, Lolo say, no. Make I tell Lolo say, no, he no mention my name. And everything where they do, day, mama for village, not be my mama in the talk. Hey, maybe na person insult and the way they talk to. You understand? So maybe now somebody go offend and I make it the cause. So Lolo, anytime when you say the day he blind, not be me. Okay. Naina. Eriono na. Na so, Saga no di. Okay. Na so. No, never mention my name. No, me, I don't know. You don't understand. Now, not be me with Anna. Now, with Nelly Black. You want make I come beat Nelly Black for Anna? Area everywhere. You and person they what you concern me. You choose to support the person where you don't fair when it post spit for your face. If you decide to go lick in yash, kiss and dry the shit where they say, what you concern me. The other one choose to follow a word. Is that my business? It's not my business. No, I just want to clarify. You know, say all this the nyama. They will talk finish tomorrow. No, Lolo not tell me say come on. He asked me say whether my mama blind. I say no, he not blind though. We already said something. And now they get diabetes for their family. So we don't have diabetes for my family. So okay, well, but I said your mama. Okay. Okay, okay. So my people, you know, say me not ready for all this saga of a thing, because if you want to talk to me, let it come straight. Say, Opaika, now you are the talk to your mama, because since they find my saga when you want to, so that we'll know where we carry cane near. You understand? Okay, if you say the dog betting go, I don't go since not be today. I don't go. So if you say go, now you they say make person go. Now you see the cry put. Now you carry our picture when we gather take you paint and like say now me force you to snap picture. Now you come for the mud, run come. Mama miaga. Mama miaga na okay we total tell your brother me sit down where you want sit down. You sit down near me. Your brother sit down here. Now my old table. Oh we remember. This was the mama fire down. No. We don't go fire down. Not everybody they Chris now. You go follow and they Chris now. You don't understand. That they come outside say snake. Where be say na snake sleep with her. Snake sleep with her. He come born 3 snake. He come they say snake. I look and I say look this one. Why even water? When snake carry you like that for ground, umweke snake umujunu, umweke snake urejiwe, udo bon bie ome her snake. How you tell a snake? You understand? So I beg you, I know they do saga. My mother is hell easy. He wear fits. He we must see. If you see me, you see my mama. Ole na mama, all head don't white. All head don't white. Yeah. That's what people's prayer. When no ye white ni ye me ye repent or ga gbe be na. Ni me man na school. Mama go school or ga gbe be. No follow back credit too. You will say no. If you come my bill don't well, you back credit 4 days ago see your money. So My diabetes is be. You have a diabetes, okay, mama. Now juju they worry and it's too much now. Okay, can I olokun because why again never say be eke na na gwan eke na egbe na mo riona we can't be me. My whole day you fair beat me for this planet. When me benene o honi no ho ho anore you can do ami me peka. Where ason will be who avie. You know what can hands up. And I used to come and come down and say, well, where be me, you're that for me. Well, I might won't come to your territory. Because you see, say me a lot of arguments. When I lad. Una la well, where you walk on a packer, where you wear, well, me don't you where? Me don't you where? Akpa we mo don't me away when oh, Lareo, ye me. Now you beg. What digwe a video ni oyereva. Nu ya digwe. Nu ya mimia. Lao. Why you buck on a packer? Why you should beg? Why you matter away with that? You matter away with that and I have to wear back. You understand? I know one thing I discover from you is like now friend fed by you for when you fed come word before. Because only esa where ezoka or say or kagbu enari anusi. So why beg or say usina who got you think everything you are doing that your platform now be something. Sometimes when you are doing some live video, I look at laugh. I'll say, I will bite my hand say, I wish we not settle now. I will fire this guy. But now, when we dey quarrel now, if you do anyhow there, I will fire you. But don't touch my page because that's your priority. If you touch my page, I'll go YouTube because that's what you people know how to do best. When you are person dey quarrel, you go carry a page, me no see chance. Saga you back. So, Monica, no, I pray, not be my mama you dey talk to Sha. Don't do that too. Don't do that. If na me and you talk to me, because first of all, you can't go carry your mouth, go give my children. When I never reach your children, oh, you say, see my children, see my in-law, say, walk out, niao, agmoya genia. If you beg you be me, if you beg your dafon, if you beg ye me, walk out, now you first they do now. Because by the time, I will carry my AK-47 and bulldozer. You know, so now Obiodo you the whole. Obiodo not do anything. Or he may. O go dopia. Kebe bulldozer ya mwedawa. O waweni na ye somebody ya gya. Me mention Saga me I no go there. Me that can't tell them. Mama ke o wanu. Oh, back a sure offense. Saga never start. Not let me come Kalubi where they are. Tell me the one you can do alone. Like the one I can proud of myself. My earn money now the taste bless my children. Which one can you boast of? Tell me number one that you can boast of. That you do with your money. No. La go back here. Wasilon, my picking they call me up and they are big way. I want come up so. I'm not trying, mo. Not trying, not try. Yeah, well, kana. No, I won't come out. Okay, now make I come out now. What did they worry you? What did they worry you? I won't come out. Oh, you boo. My daughter, if you try me, I will Saga you. Oh, no. Nobody now may go come say, Mama, fire down. Mama, be down. All my children on Facebook, they'll say, Mama, no, calm down. See this one, they worry me. Mama, calm down. Mama, no. The other one, Mama, no. Mama, I mean, no, where no. Yeah, where you walk. Yeah, where you. Yeah, like say where I take me. E saga asun ebon. Where ti mo o we na no ye digba where ti mo. Umiamia we okutaro mo hu. No we wo ro hu o ye digba where ti mo. We ma be hu imen we wo okuta yere ni. E jamu ye o. Ute mu ahiane. Ya na regina na ruwa we fua. Monica, no they do like that. I don't like. Why somebody will love you guys genuinely? End of the day, you pay back with evil. You see? You understand? Eh? Somebody will love you now genuinely. So now they like fake love. Fake love, no good. If me like somebody, I like somebody. If I don't like you, I'll give you a bakada. Who are you? You know how many people they I know say they do you shall not be your fault. Because if you apologize to who they don't like, they will just leave you for one corner. They'll come work for your head. You know do a Saga most. And so I don't know. That's why I say now as or say now if I buy for when it come before. You understand? Or say okay. We may wait. What I do now? I'm not doing anything now. Just can't worry yourself. I beg una bye make I leave now. Because of I won't cost all my friends be one they go say why you go there. I don't come back. Why go. Go like a be. Nuke we me vagbo ma bere mi nu ge ni wo oga enu na gbesta we yana te de moto nu ya I award awo yana mo wo award nu ya gbesta end of the day no we betray ya na ye boni next ya la lo onishan after o kweni ade moto nu ene nu ya gbesta ya agbiko bo here we ro gbera na re ozu una baba ijare tell them say I know they are so. Who be this one patient? Just get out from here. Lie. Now you they cock up and down so. Madam, you are come on from my place. You know say you are a liar. You know say all of you now be ogboma yesi. You lie too much. You are call here. Only you they call everybody. Call Ukinebo, call this one. Stop it. You are too young to do that. Not let barrier follow you. You people are too young to they cause confusion up and down. Madam, you too like problem. You wait not like problem. Why you they call up and down? So that you will see for all your frustration, for where you they live, they make you see problem, they analyze. Patients. Now you are they talk to. Make you see wahala up and down. I beg go. Una bye jare, I don't have time.